Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up higher yesterday with corn leading the way, up 6 cents in the front month. Been mixed so far this morning. Really not a whole lot of new news out in the market right now. Chinese Lunar New Year did start today, but that's not anything that the market didn't know about. So one thing we could see due to that, and what we'll see due to that, is a slowdown in soybean sales. It's been expected, though. They're the largest importer of soybeans. Obviously, during their Lunar New Year holiday, not going to be doing much business as far as importing and buying soybeans goes. So no real news there, though. It's something the market has had in mind and anticipated. Other than that, the news items we've been discussing here pretty much remain the same. South American weather remains favorable for crop production and harvesting. Here in the United States, corn sales have been pretty slow. Obviously, price is a factor of that, and then also due to cold weather and snow, a little harder to move the grain than it is when it's sunny and 70. So we've seen some slower movement due to that. Wheat, winter kill concerns persist, but the world crop's so large that it's really kind of getting pressured due to that fact. So really not much news to go on today. So what I did do is I went and looked at a previous version of the Wilkins Ag Wire back when it was a emailed newsletter, and went and looked at some of the prices, and they were pretty startling taking a look at them. Gold was over $1,600 at that point in time. Corn was over $7.30 for March. March beans were over $14, and March wheat was over $7.80. So it's really amazing what we've done in the past year, and shows how well producers did producing a crop when the market needed it, but also it gave them lower prices as well. So it's kind of a little bit of a double-edged sword, and just kind of shows how important marketing your grain efficiently is, and the opportunities that exist as far as trading goes, because remember, in the futures market you can go short just as easily as you can go long a market. So that's something to keep in mind. You always want to look at history, see where we've been, know that we can get there as well. Obviously, it's going to take a lot of factors to get back to those prices, but just kind of wanted to let you know where we were a year ago today and what all's gone on, because it definitely is trading opportunities in there, as well as some hedging opportunities as well. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.